Dr. Nichelle Gurley, specializing in prenatal, postpartum, pediatric chiropractic care and fitness, along with specializing in postpartum rehab. And I'm on a yoga ball, stability ball, birth ball, whatever you want to call it today, because it's a really great tool during pregnancy and labor to use. Something that'll get us into a good seated position during our pregnancy so that our sacrum is nice and out and not tucked under. It's a great way to keep our pelvis moving and mobile and open, which is what we want ultimately going into labor to make that process easier. This is something that you can use when you're at work. If you're seated at work, you can use it at the dinner table, and you can use just when you're watching TV, just to kind of keep that mobility in the pelvis, get into a better position so that baby can be in a better position. So if you're here and your belly is leaning forward, the baby is more likely to place their spine against your belly as opposed to their back against your back, which would be a greater result in potential back labor. So we can get the baby's back towards your belly by sitting around on a yoga ball throughout the day and various activities that you do. That's just going to give you a greater likelihood of success. Now, this is also a great tool is that during labor, you can use this to sit on as well, and it'll relax that pelvic floor. You can also use it when you're going through contractions just to lay and kind of sway on here. And you can come back, have a contraction, and in between, kind of rotate around on the ball. So a stability ball is a really great ball to use throughout your pregnancy and really a cool tool during birth as well.